super sensitive starting blocks frustrated athletes and spectators alike as temperatures soared at the US Olympic trials. Painting by British pop sensation David Bowie purchased for $4 at a Canadian landfill was sold at auction in Toronto for $90,000. Pakistan PM Imran Khan tweeted about his interaction with Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates regarding polio eradication campaign. Intelligence agencies have alerted Delhi police that Pakistan-based ISI proxies may sabotage proposed farmers' stir on June 26. Doctors and frontline health workers in Indonesia are turning sick, with many of them dead after taking Chinese vaccine Sinovac. Former Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin sentenced to 22 years and 6 months in prison for the murder of George Floyd. 13 UN peacekeepers have been wounded in northern Mali by a car bomb. 12 of the wounded were German and 1 were Belgian. China has demanded that its laboratory in Wuhan be awarded prestigious Nobel Prize for its contribution to research of coronavirus. Afghanistan's Peace Council head said long-stalled talk on political settlement should continue despite surging Taliban attacks. Video of helmeted YouTuber Hunter Howard hovering about 10 feet in the air in New York reminded netizens of Green Goblin. 9 fishermen escaped unhurt when Sri Lankan naval personnel opened fire while they were returning from Park Straits after fishing. China warned the US over increasing military contacts with Taiwan, saying that seeking independence of Taiwan means war. Huawei launched Honor 50 series smartphones earlier this month, and in just 1 minute of first sale, it crossed 500 million yuan mark. Richard Branson's spaceship company Virgin Galactic received approval from US aviation safety regulator to fly people to space. Shares of Nike surged over 15% to a record high on Friday after they forecast full year sales of more than $50 billion. Valerie Bacot, French woman who murdered her violent husband, should be shown clemency and allowed to leave jail, says prosecutor. Group of Filipinos called River Warriors rake up piles of trash on banks of one of world's most polluted rivers in Philippines. UK Health Secretary Matt Hancock admits breaking social distancing rules with close-eyed and apologies for letting people down. Former Minneapolis policeman Derek Chauvin in US will be sentenced on Friday for murdering George Floyd in May 2020. Striking photo of a leopard playing with an impala, which is pretty daunting, has triggered a sarcastic meme fest online. China unveiled its first fully electrified bullet train in the remote Himalayan region of Tibet, which connects Lhasa and Ingji. Fans of WikiLeaks founder Julian Assange urged Biden to break with Donald Trump's legacy and drop extradition case against him. Respect LGBT rights or leave the European Union, Dutch Prime Minister Mark Rutte told his Hungarian counterpart. UAE-based Indian businessman who travelled from Amritsar to Dubai as sole passenger on Air India said he felt like a Maharaja. Israel is again requiring people to wear masks in indoor public spaces amid coronavirus outbreak driven by arrival of new variant. Indian youngsters in America facing imminent prospects of deportation met senior Biden administration officials at White House. TV anchor in Zambia recently interrupted a live bulletin he was hosting to complain that he and his colleagues had not been paid. Malaysian Palm Oil Company IOI Corporation has been informed by US about investigation into labor abuses in the company. China promoted Hong Kong's top security official John Lee to number 2 spot amid clampdown on free speech and political opposition. European Union leaders failed to agree on a proposal by France and Germany to hold a summit soon with Russian President Putin.